ever get over this. This sunset. Seeing it from the apartment is just so beautiful. Forgot to put on my eye cream. I'm trying to be consistent with wearing eye cream just to see if it makes a difference, because I am noticing bags. Bags are forming. Okay, skincare is done. Now I think I'm going to put my little rollers in for the night, put my bonnet on, and get ready for bed. So when that time comes, I can just hop in. I've been trying to try different things with my hair. Sometimes I get bored, and then other times I just feel like, I don't know, I'm weird. I think certain outfits look better with certain hairstyles, so I'll change my hair. I also really like convenience, so even when I wear my hair curly, I'll style it once that week and then just kind of wear it for the entire week. And I like to do the same thing when it's straight, so these help me do that. Kind of can just put these in at night, and then every day I kind of just wake up with a blowout. I've really just been all about convenience lately. And that's why I'm honestly thinking about getting braids. I think I'm going to make an appointment. I just want one less thing to worry about during the week for like multiple weeks in a row. I think it'll save me a lot of time and just take one thing off of my plate. And braids are just so pretty. They really do act as a protective style for me, so it's like a 2-in-1. That's Caesar drinking water, if you can hear that. I'm sure you can. He drinks water more than any dog that I know. I don't even know if I'm doing a good job at putting these in tonight. We'll see in the morning. I'm gonna be asleep before 10 tonight if possible. That's the goal. Why is it so much harder to concentrate when you're filming? Okay, let me fix this. And that's it. I'll see you in the morning. Good Happy Friday! Today is August 15th. Today is my boyfriend's birthday and we're getting ready to head out for dinner. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair and I need to do my makeup and I have less than an hour. So let's just do a transition. Done! I need to put on my lips still, but this is the finished look. I need to get dressed now actually. I know what I'm wearing, but I need to get dressed. We're running late now. Banana bread right now and the apartment smells so good. I cannot even wait to have a slice. Dakota also really likes banana bread, so I told him that I'm making something and he has no idea what it is yet. So I think he'll be excited to have some too. It smells so good and there's still 15 minutes left. Let me see if you're able to see it. Wow. She's looking stunning. What's funny is I'm supposed to be going on a run today, so I don't know if I should have the piece of banana bread right now or as a reward once I finish the run. You know, I could also wait and have it tomorrow morning. I don't know, we'll see. She's ready and look at how beautiful. Oh my gosh, this one came out so good this time. The top part I believe is called the streusel. It makes it kind of like crispy on top. And that part came out so good. This one just looks so legit. I think I'm getting better at making banana bread. Yay!